Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your account and permissions so Copilot can act on your data. Sign in with your Microsoft 365 work or school account and make sure your admin has enabled Copilot. Once done, update Office apps or use the supported browser. This avoids version mismatches. Next, enable microphone and data permissions when prompted and allow Copilot to read documents or calendar. This is required for contextual responses. Now you're ready to open an app and invoke Copilot. You invoke Copilot inside an app and then give it context. Do this early to shape results. Click the Copilot button or use the shortcut and state the task clearly, summarize, draft, analyze, or design. Include document purpose, target audience, and desired tone. For example, ask for a one-page executive summary in neutral tone. When working with numbers or slides, paste or highlight the exact table or section so Copilot uses that data rather than guessing. Iterate with follow-up prompts to you finalize content by reviewing and refining Copilot's suggestions. Never accept blindly. Edit the draft, ask for alternate phrasings, or request a shorter bulleted version to fit your format. Save version history and add comments to track why changes were made. If Copilot misinterprets context, rephrase the prompt, give a concrete example, or paste the exact data range. Then try again. If problems persist, sign out and back in, confirm permissions, or update Office. That usually resolves sync or access errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.